Hey guys, it's Rod here from the technology department. Just going to show you a quick video on how to clean Chromebooks without damaging them. We like to use these Sani wipes, and so you can just take a Sani wipe, and first thing to do is open the Chromebook up and then actually just lay it down flat so the screen is on the ground like this, and it allows you to wipe the screen without putting any stress on the hinge. So wipe that screen down really good. Do that first while the cloth is clean, and then go ahead and use it to just wipe down the keyboard and the touchpad. Get that all really good. Go ahead and close it up and then take care of the outside. And that's basically it. And for summer, if students notice that there's anything wrong with a particular Chromebook, if you want to leave like a sticky note on the outside and with something that might be wrong with it, maybe a hinge is broken or a key is missing or something along those lines that we could take care of this summer, just go ahead and let us know and we'll have it taken care of by fall. Thank you.